everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Stafflink account as an employee. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in www.stafflink.net and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official website of Stafflink Outsourcing, which looks like this, click the login portal button in green at the top right hand corner. Once you click on the button, scroll a bit down and you'll be able to see two system logins options. You can log in as a client or as an employee. To log in as an employee, click on the employee login button on the right hand side, and in the login area, type in your email address correct so that you have no trouble logging into your account. And now, on the next field, type in your password as well. If you've forgotten your password, you can click on the Forgot Password link and follow through the on-screen prompts in order to reset to a new password. After filling in your details, click the login button in order to log in to your Stafflink employee account. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.